Rizal's birth. Rizal was born in June 19, 1848. She is born in Calamba, Laguna. Ang Alamba po ay tinatawag na Kalanbanga, which means clay stove. Ang Calamba po, ang nickname po ng Alamba is resort at capital of the Philippines dahil meron po siyang 600 na resort po sa ngayon.
Rizal's birth. Doña Teodora, Rizal's mother, suffered the greatest pain during his delivery. Narcisa recalled, "I was 9 years old of age when my mother gave birth to Jose. I recall it vividly because my mother suffered great pain. She labored for a long time. Her pain was later attributed to the fact that Jose's head was bigger than normal."
Nung ipinapanganak daw ni Doña Teodora si Dr. Jose Rizal, nakaramdam daw ito ng matinding sakit na kung saan natagalan daw ito mag-labor. And ayon sa kapatid ni Dr. Jose Rizal na si Narcisa, hindi daw normal yung laki ng ulo ni Rizal kumpara sa ulo ng iba. Kaya daw natagalan mag-labor si Doña Teodora.
Bahay na Bato. The first massive stone house was the very birthplace of our national hero. Later on, this historic site was known as the Rizal Shrine, Calamba. He was christened at St. John the Baptist Parish Church.
Noong June 19, 1861, pinanganak si Jose Protasio Rizal sa bahay na bato na ito na nakatayo sa Calamba, Laguna. Yung tatay ni Rizal, which is si Francisco Mercado, inabot ng halos 2 taon para maitayo yung bahay na bato. Yung bahay na bato na yun, nagasimbolo or nagapaalala dun sa mga bahay ng may mga kaya nung panahon ng Kastila. So, ngayon, ang tawag sa bahay na bato na ito is yung Rizal Shrine. 3 araw after ipanganak ni Jose Protasio Rizal, which is June 22, 1861, bininyagan siya sa St. John the Baptist Church sa Calamba, Laguna din. So, ang nagbinyag sa kanya is si Reverend Father Rufino Colantes, kasama si Reverend Father Pedro Casañas bilang kanyang ninong. Yung St. John the Baptist ay, since nasa Calamba, Laguna din, ilang lakad mula sa bahay ni Rizal, which is yung Rizal Shrine ngayon, ay makikita mo yung St. John the Baptist Church.
Bahay na Bato was a rectangular 2-story building built of adobe stones and solid wood, with sliding capice windows. Its ground floor was made of lime and stone. Second floor is hardwood except for the roof, which was red tiles. There was a azotea and a water reservoir at the back. So, tinawag itong Bahay na Bato sapagkat yung first floor ay gawa sa stone na ang ginamit na plaster ay lime, at yung second floor naman ay gawa sa hardwood, and then yung roof ay gamit ang red tiles.